Is it?
Oh yeah, there's a bar.
Well, you ain't getting out now. You're going down.
Good Lord.
At least it's not gonna get wet now.
Ooh, I smell
Fire?
firewood. It's like I smell. See, back home it's like, ooh, someone's barbecuing.
Yeah.
This ain't barbecue. See, that's just like the boats that you ride on.
Taking a video
the
in
Riverwalk
case he
San
falls
Antonio.
in. Stand in the front and go, I'm the king of the world.
King?
Oh, I'm the queen of the world. Oh, yeah. Thank you for correcting me, mister.
I'm like, oh. It's going out like that, you better don't.
You're fixing to go down.
She hears that at least once a week.
That's why I'm recording.
What?
I said that's why I'm recording.
Oh.
You know, we can send it in and win money.
Especially when they add the enhanced voice
Mhm.
audio.
Boing, boing, boing.
Boing.
Steven, you look like a sailor.
He looks like a big giant seaman.
This is actually a really nice boat. This is too good. It even has
Sailor boy.
cute.
He's Mama the Sailor Man.
He's the captain's boy.
First mate.
Mama and her yacht.